Today, we're going to see how to install the AI transcription engine, speech-to-text, in Kdenlive. This is the most advanced feature. It allows Kdenlive to listen to your audio and automatically generate subtitles. To enable it, we need to install the following packages. Package, function OpenAI Whisper the Brain, the artificial intelligence model that recognizes speech. Torch, PyTorch, the mathematical engine that Whisper's AI runs on. SRT, the module that converts the recognized text into the standard subtitle format. NumPy and number computing accelerators that allow your CPU to process audio data quickly. Open a terminal and copy and paste, one by one, the commands you find below the video. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt install Python 3. Pip Python 3, NumPy Python 3, number Python 3, torch. Pip install OpenAI Whisper SRT break system packages. Sudo apt install Python 3, setup tools Python 3, will Python 3, pip. Pip install SRT break system packages. Pip install OpenAI Whisper break system packages. Sudo apt install Python 3, SRT. Echo export path equals $HOME/.local/bin, $PHH/.bashrc and source/.bashrc. We have now activated Kdenlive's AI-powered speech-to-text transcription engine, the most advanced editor currently available in the open-source world, and the only one that truly allows you to complete professional-grade work. You will already find it pre-installed in MODICIA O.S, fully optimized with LUT plugins and the professional configurations used in the MARIANI photo and drone aerial shooting studio. Remember, what comes installed in MODICIA is exactly what real professionals use, not whatever is hyped by various opinion groups or trends around random libraries. See you in the next guide, and don't forget to leave a like to support us.